things, like crunchy juice. Well, I'm going to tell you what we're doing compound right now. And yeah. 3, 2, and go. Goodness gracious. You always say it's a nice environment. Come on, get back, get back, get back. You gotta screw back. You haven't doomed yet. I know.
That made a loud noise.
I know. After over there. After over. Your glass is there.
Hey, what happened?
Click on. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just click right here. That's all. Okay, guys.
No, don't do me.
Okay. We're about to break that, guys. I want to see.
To make phone calls, press
3, 2, 1, go.
say something else. Call John Smith. Call John Smith. Word.
John Smith.
Call 2065551. Cancel.
Ian.
Oh, it's not. It didn't hit your pant. It hit right here. Oh! This is a good one, guys. Oh, thanks. At least I got the flag. Oh, goodness.
That was
A piece hit me.
dangerous.
Goodness, a piece hit me. Oh. A piece hit me. Stinking VR headset. You don't hit people like this. I've been freaking scared.
Ian, be careful of that stick. By accident.
My God.
Yeah, because when you turn around, you gotta stick. There goes.
Stick behind me. The bottom.
Well, that was actually tougher.
Whoa. Is that here? That wasn't crap at all. Is that here? Ian, an army man against Smash.
Should we crush the nail?
See that? Yeah, I can. Watch this. That's so good.
Pretty tough toy.
I love these apples.
No, you gotta crush it. You can eat it after you crush it. Why not?
Dad, it's on your wheel! It's on your wheel! Crap!
Uh-oh. Did it puncture?
Apple time. Apple time. Apple time.
Oh, man.
Can you do it with the apple? Do it with the apple. No, I know.
Nothing.
I'm gonna drop this apple.
No, you gotta crush it.
180 pounds. But it could be on the ground anyways. Oh, crap.
Well, that one's dead.
Well, at least one of them are dead. Like, what the heck?
So, you guys
This
ready?
one's
I got baby kittens to crush. You wanna do that one?
9, 7, 8, 2,
There's that one,
7.
guys.
See this? Banana, banana. A banana. Okay, look, can I do one banana? Please, please. I want to eat apple and bananas.
You're so hungry. I never seen kids so hungry.
Ew.
Ew. Yeah, can we have it?
What it looks like? Oh!
Is that the banana?
Apple and
Where's the car? Can I try a piece?
Watch this, honey. I'm more than 70. See, I got a wheel. This is the only thing I did.
Ew.
Dude, this is the only thing I did. There won't be
trail.
Yeah.
All right, look out.
What am I picked up? The trail, guys. This is the trail. Found it. Blech. Disgusting. Here. Show them what I stepped on. Guys, I'm going to show you what I stepped on. Stop. There. Can I show them what I stepped on? Then look. This is what I stepped on. This is the trail of Swingsley Park.